Hey, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, student of class 1B. Again, meet with me again, Ustadzah Faik. So, welcome to my class. Okay, student, do you know what is our lesson now? Yeah, our lesson now is civics. Let's begin our lesson now by reading Basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, I'm here now in our class. So, look at this is our class. Do you miss our class? Yes, I also miss you to come here to study together here in the class. Okay, student, this morning in civic lesson, I will teach you about diversity of individual characteristic at home. So, diversity, keberagaman, individual characteristic at home, keberagaman ciri individu di rumah. Jadi at home di rumah, you stay with your family. Maybe it is extended family or main family or keluarga inti, extended family or nuclear family, I don't know, maybe, but you stay with another person at home. Jadi tidak tinggal sendirian, you stay with your mother, with your father, with your grandparent maybe, or with your uncle and aunt and also your cousin maybe. So they have many different individual characteristic. Mereka bisa jadi mempunyai perbedaan individu satu sama lain. Jadi pasti dong ada perbedaannya, nggak mungkin semuanya sama. It's impossible. So in our lesson now, I will teach you about diversity of individual characteristic at home. Tentang apa ya? Bagaimana ya? Okay, don't go anywhere, just stay in front of your phone. I will explain you. But before I begin, let's memorize the vocabularies first. It will help you to understand the lesson today. Memorize please the vocabularies and don't forget to write on your vocabularies book. Okay? Don't go anywhere. Diversity of individual characteristic at home. Keberagaman ciri-ciri individu di rumah. Diversity, keberagaman, ciri-ciri individu at home, di rumah. Okay, look at the vocabularies here. Saya akan bacakan, nanti sebelum kalian menghafalkannya ditulis terlebih dahulu di buku tulis vocabularies ya. Yang pertama, diversity, keberagaman. Gender, jenis kelamin. Male, boy. Tahu ya, male sama dengan boy, artinya adalah laki-laki. Female, girl. Female, girl, perempuan. Mustache, kumis. Mustache, kumis. Short hair, rambut pendek. Short hair, rambut pendek. Long hair, rambut panjang. Saya ulangi, short hair, rambut pendek. Long hair, rambut panjang. Skirt, rok. Skirt, rok. Trousers, celana panjang. Trousers, celana panjang. Wear, memakai. Wear, memakai. Veil, kerudung. Veil, kerudung. Earring, ingat ke ear. Nah, ear kan telinga. Jadi earring artinya anting. Earring, anting. Marble, kelereng. Marble, kelereng. Doll, boneka. Doll, boneka. Karakteristik, ciri-ciri. Karakteristik, ciri-ciri. Different, berbeda. Different, berbeda. Ethnic, suku. Ethnic, suku. Traditional clothes. Traditional clothes, pakaian adat. Oke, kalau kalian sudah menghafalkan vocabularies-nya, kita masuk pada bab pertama. pada penjelasan pertama. Oke, look at here. At home, di rumah, we live with many people. We live with many people. Kita tinggal dengan banyak orang. So, at home kita tinggal tidak sendirian. With many people, dengan banyak orang. Yes, there are family. Our family, there are father, mother, grandfather, grandmother, uncle, aunt, or cousins, your brother and your sister. With many family, with many people. Jadi tidak sendirian, bersama-sama. Okay. And they have different gender. And they have different gender. Dan mereka have different gender. Gender, apa gender? Jenis kelamin. Yes, mempunyai jenis kelamin yang berbeda, different. So, semuanya lihat di sini gambarnya. Tidak semuanya sama, jenis kelaminnya berbeda. They have different gender. Okay, let's talk about gender. Tentang gender, Ustazah akan bacakan. Gender, there are two kind of gender. Ya, ada two kind, dua macam. Yang pertama, female. Female. Apa itu female? Female is a girl, perempuan. The second one is male. Male. Male is a boy. Okay, so there are two kind, dua macam, two kind of gender. Female and male. You understand? Okay. Look at this. Female, perempuan. Male, laki-laki. Dimas is a male. Dimas is a male. But Tasha is a female. Tasha is a female. You understand? Okay. Now I will tell you about the different characteristic of female and male. Okay, there are different characteristic between female and male. Ada perbedaan karakteristik. Apa karakteristik? Ciri-ciri. Tentu ya, antara female, perempuan, and male, there are different characteristic. Berbeda ciri-ciri. Apa saja perbedaannya? Oke, look at here. Ustazah punya dua gambar. Ada short hair, rambut pendek. Long hair, rambut panjang. Kira-kira short hair is characteristic of female or male? Yeah, short hair is characteristic of male. And long hair is characteristic of female. You understand? Next, look at here. Play doll, play marble. Which is female and male? Yang mana yang karakteristik of female and yang mana karakteristik of male? Of course, kalau play doll is female, bermain boneka. Play marble, bermain kelereng, is karakteristik of male. Okay, next. Wear skirt and wear trouser, which is male and which is female. Wear skirt, memakai skirt, rok, is female. Wear trousers, memakai celana panjang, is male. Next. Okay, they pray. Wear sarong and kopiah when praying. Memakai sarung dan kopiah ketika sholat, ketika beribadah. Wear mukena when praying. Memakai mukena ketika sholat, ketika beribadah. Wear sarong and kopiah when praying is male. And wear mukena when praying is a female. Next. Wear heels, memakai sepatu hak tinggi. It's male? Oh no, of course, it's female. Wear earring, memakai anting, and wear veil. These are characteristics of female. All of this. So, right here. Okay, I have the last one. Oh, Oh, have a mustache. Have mustache is characteristic of male. Okay, good. These are the different characteristic. Okay, so if you say, okay, you have to memorize all of the characteristic. Kamu harus menghafalkan semuanya ya. If I ask you to mention, sebutkan characteristic of female or male, you have to be able to mention it. Okay, you understand? Okay, that's the first individual characteristic that I have teach you just now. Okay, now you know that people have a different gender. There are male or female. Now I will introduce my friend to you. They are. I have two friends here. First is male and the second is female. Listen to her. Okay. Okay, he is my first friend. Listen to him. Okay.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Hamid. I have short hair. I wear trousers. When I am praying, I wear kopiah. I like to play ball.
Ah, yes, he is Hamid. Okay, now the next friend. Yes, who is she? Listen to her.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Fatima. I have long hair. I wear veil. When I am praying, I wear mukena. I like to play doll. This is my doll.
Thank you, Fatima. I hope you understand and you can do the task well. Saya harap kamu mengerti dan bisa mengerjakan tugasnya dengan baik ya. Now, I will continue to the next chapter. We live in Indonesia. Indonesia. Yes, Indonesia has many islands, has many culture. So, in our family, it's maybe there are many different culture. So it make a different individual characteristic. Any other individual characteristic. Okay, what about? Yes, about ethnic. Maybe your family come from another country in Indonesia. Okay, to understand more, look at here, look at your screen. This is your family. Now, your family stay in Madura. Tinggal di Madura. Your family stay in Madura. Tinggal di Madura. But they may come from different city in Indonesia. Tapi they may come, mereka bisa jadi come, datang from different city in Indonesia. Dari berbagai macam daerah, berbagai macam kota di Indonesia. Bisa jadi mereka berasal dari kota yang berbeda-beda. Okay, look at this is the picture of Indonesia. Your home, your house is in Madura. But your father may come from Sumatra or your mother come from Java and your grandfather maybe come from Bali and your grandmother come from Papua or your uncle is coming from Kalimantan. Okay, so they come from many different countries in Indonesia. They have different ethnic because they come from different country, so they have different ethnic. Mereka mempunyai berbeda suku karena Indonesia mempunyai banyak sekali suku yang berbeda-beda. And each ethnic have different culture. Dan setiap suku has different culture, mempunyai budaya yang berbeda ya. Jadi setiap suku mempunyai budaya yang berbeda. Oke, Ustazah akan tampilkan pada kalian macam-macam budaya yang sebagian budaya yang terlihat dari Indonesia has many ethnic, mempunyai banyak etnik, banyak suku. Each ethnic, setiap suku has different culture, mempunyai berbeda-beda budaya, and different traditional clothes, dan berbeda-beda baju adat. Look at here. Ada banyak gambar baju adat di sini. Ustazah akan jelaskan beberapa saja ya. Sebenarnya Indonesia mempunyai banyak sekali budaya, tidak hanya 6 seperti yang Ustazah tunjukkan di gambar ini. Ada banyak sekali budaya, suku dengan budayanya masing-masing. Yang pertama, lihat gambarnya. It's a special cap here. It's from Padang. Yang ini, baju adat seperti ini, traditional clothes seperti ini is from Japanese. It is Japanese ethnic. And then look at here. Yang laki-laki mempunyai kaos warna warna merah dan putih belang-belang. Yeah, of course you know it is Madurese ethnic. And look at the flower on his ear. Ada bunganya ya. Yang ada bunganya ini biasanya dari Bali. So, this is Balinese ethnic. And yang pakai bulu-bulu seperti ini nih, it is Asmat ethnic. And the last, yang seperti ini, bajunya warna hitam, terus ada bulu juga di atas kepalanya, it is Dayak ethnic. So, these are some different ethnic that I can show you in this lesson. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin, I have explained you all the chapter today. So, I hope you understand about the chapter today. I hope you understand about the lesson today and do the task well. Do the task. This is the task. If you have done, if you understand, so you can do page 2, halaman 2. You can match the things to the right gender, and halaman 3, kalian bisa baca dulu di sini. And you can write a male or female. Jadi bisa tinggal tulis male atau female. Dan yang terakhir adalah ini. Ada 2 teman juga yang akan berkenalan. Kalian bisa melengkapi kalimat yang sesuai dengan kalimat yang ada di sini. Jessie? Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. In the end of our lesson, I said thanks to you to listening me. I said thanks to you to pay attention for my video today. I hope you understand about this lesson. All about this lesson, I hope you understand. Thank you for pay attention. Thank you for listening. Thank you for studying at home. Keep spirit, keep healthy, and always pray to get Allah. Semoga kita semua bisa kembali sekolah di sini, belajar di sini di kelas kita. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.